A little closer, we're going to take a look at bog cranberry and creeping snowberry. So we'll start with the creeping snowberry that I can see glimmering in the sun here. So growing right down low, creeping along the ground, is our creeping snowberry. So you can see those leaves are sparse on the stem, quite rounded, and alternating as you move along the stem of the plant. Later in the fall, they'll get an abnormally large white berry, hence the name snowberry. And because it creeps on the ground, creeping snowberry. If you take a look on the underside of this plant, on the underside of the leaves, I'm not going to be able to capture the detail, but if you're ever out here on your own, take a look underneath and you'll see these dark whiskers growing on the underside of the leaf. They're quite obvious once you get an eye for them. And growing right next to our creeping snowberry is our bog cranberry. So very similar plant, growing in these long creeping stems, but you can really see the difference in the leaf pattern and structure. So the bog cranberry has a more pointed lance-shaped leaf, alternating on the stem as well, but very sparsely spaced on the stem. So you can see the snowberry on the left is much more dense compared to the bog cranberry on the right, with its more spaced out and pointier lance-shaped leaves. So the bog cranberry will get a cranberry. It is part of the true cranberry species. It's Vaccinium, oxycoccos. They're edible and they're quite large, so hopefully in the fall we'll get a chance to see those if we get a chance to go out in the field and taste a couple of them. Taste better after the first frost. They are quite tart, a really tasty berry, and really large, like bigger than those leaves. So proportionate to the size of the plant, a very large berry.